Hi children, now we are going to learn word problems related to addition. A factory manufactured 78,850 cars in 2018. In 2019, it manufactured 38,000 more cars. How many cars did the factory manufacture in 2 years? Here first we have to observe what is the topic in this. What is the topic? Manufacturing of cars. In 2 years. One is 2008 and one is 2009. When you will read the word problems, you have to split the word problem. Means you have to divide. Then what is the first sentence? A factory manufactured 78,850 cars in 2018. Means here one factory is there. It is manufacturing. What is the production of that? Cars. How many cars in 2000 it production? 78,850 cars. Next year means 2019, 38,000 they manufactured. In both the years, how many? In 2 years, how many cars? Means we have to do addition. Then how to solve? First we have to write the statements. What are the statements? Number of cars manufactured in 2018, 78,850. Like that in 2019, number of cars manufactured in 2019, 38,000. Then what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Now, plus 38,000. Then in 2 years, manufactured in 2 years means we have to do the addition. 0, 5, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 down, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Means 1,16,850. Means what we did now? We added 2 years. Then only you will get 2 years manufactured cars. Now, what is the last statement? What he asked, how many cars did the factory manufactured in 2 years? Then, number of cars manufactured in 2 years is equal 1,16,850. Here also 1,16,850. Now understood? When they will ask together, total, we have to do addition. Next, a florist needs 2,500 marigolds, 4,600 roses, 2,850 lilies to decorate a banquet hall. Banquet hall means what? Function hall. How many flowers does he needs in all? Total, together how many flowers? Here one function hall is there. For function we have to decorate that function hall. To decorate that function hall we need some types of flowers. What are those flowers? Marigolds, roses, lilies. Then how many marigolds you need? 3,500. How many roses you need? 4,600. How many lilies you want? 2,850. Together, total how many you need to make that function hall to decorate? Means we have to add all. Now, how to write first statement? Number of marigolds needed is equal 3,500. Next, number of roses needed is equal how much? 4,600. Number of lilies needed is equal 2,850. Total number of flowers needed. Total number of flowers needed to decorate hall is equal, you have to add 3,500 plus 4,600 plus 2,850. Now add 3,500, 4,600, 2,850. All 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5, 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. How much need? 10,950 flowers. How many flowers they need to decorate that function hall? 10,950 flowers they need. See, a florist needs marigolds, roses, lilies to decorate that function hall. How many flowers he need in all? All means together. Together means what is the here? Flowers. Total flowers, how many they need to decorate that hall? Means what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Then number of marigolds, number of roses, number of lilies. Then up you have to add those 3 types of flowers. Then how much you got? 10,950. Then that florist needs to decorate that hall 10,950 flowers. In that how many types of flowers are there? Marigolds, roses and lilies. Then together if he wants to decorate that function hall, he needs 10,950 flowers.